Chrome extensions can pose risks, although many of them are safe and useful. The level of risk depends on the specific extension and how it is managed by its developers. Here are some potential risks associated with Chrome extensions: privacy invasion, data collection. Some extensions may collect and track your browsing history, search queries, or other personal information. While this is often done for marketing purposes, it can lead to serious privacy concerns. Unauthorized access: extensions may request permissions to access your data on websites you visit. If misused, they can potentially read your personal information or intercept sensitive data. Malware distribution, malicious extensions. Some extensions may be outright malicious, designed to steal data, inject ads, or redirect your browsing to phishing sites. These are sometimes disguised as useful tools but perform harmful activities in the background. Hijacked extensions. Even legitimate extensions can become risky if their developer accounts are compromised. Attackers may inject malicious code into an update, turning a once safe extension into a threat. Browser performance issues. Resource consumption. Extensions run in the background and can consume significant amounts of CPU, memory, and bandwidth, leading to slower browsing and decreased overall system performance. Conflicts with other extensions. Multiple extensions may conflict with each other, causing browser crashes or other unexpected behavior. Security vulnerabilities. Poorly written code. Extensions with poor security practices can introduce vulnerabilities that might be exploited by hackers. For example, an insecure connection between the extension and its server could allow for man-in-the-middle attacks. Excessive permissions. Some extensions request more permissions than they need. If compromised, these permissions can be exploited to gain unauthorized access to your browser and online accounts. How to mitigate risks. Install only trusted extensions. Only download extensions from reputable developers with good reviews and a significant number of users. Review permissions. Pay attention to the permissions requested by an extension. If an extension requests more access than it needs, consider whether it's worth the risk. Keep extensions updated. Ensure that your extensions are regularly updated to receive the latest security patches. Limit the number of extensions. The more extensions you have, the higher the risk. Keep your installed extensions to a minimum. Regularly audit your extensions. Periodically review your installed extensions and remove those you no longer use or recognize. By being cautious and selective about the Chrome extensions you install, you can significantly reduce the risks associated with them.